हेलो गाइज आज चाहिँ हाम्रो साथमा चाहिँ दुईजना आउनु भएको छ। उहाँहरूको बारेमा चाहिँ केही इन्टरभ्यू लिनेछौँ। धेरै योभन्दा अगाडि पनि मैले धेरै लिइसकेको छु। केही सोध्नेछौँ, उहाँहरूको नाम र कुन ठाउँबाट आएको हो भनेर सोध्नेछौँ। योर फर्स्ट योर नेम अर
I'm Shalina from the Netherlands.
नेदरल्यान्ड। योर नेम?
My name is Adonis and I'm from Greece. Hello to all.
Hello,
Friends.
everyone.
योर
You are?
I am Shalina from the Netherlands.
योर हिन्दू अर क्रिस्चियन?
No, I don't have religion, but I like the Hindu or Christian or Hindu and Buddhism the most.
You like Hindu or Buddhist?
Both religions I like a lot.
And you? Your
I am a Christian Orthodox.
Christian Orthodox?
Yes.
Roman Catholic?
Roman are it's a different. Roman Catholic is a different.
Roman Catholic is different.
Yeah, different religion. We are Orthodox Christians, like in Russia.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello to everyone.